Good morning, grade 7. Yesterday we have seen set 8, which was related to multiplication of integers. Today we are going to see set 9, and it is related to division of integers. Now see students, as I have told you earlier, rules for division and multiplication are same. Yesterday I have told you one trick also in our earlier video you have seen. So see, again I am repeating it. Division of two similar signs. Two similar signs, what do you mean by it? Either 2 times plus or 2 times minus. So division of two similar signs is always positive. And division of two opposite signs, minus divided by plus or plus divided by minus. When it comes to opposite sign division, then answer will always have minus sign. Just for example, we will see and then we will go to set 9. One thing you have to remember, see students, if it is minus 6 divided by minus 3. Normally, how you do the division? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. And so your answer will be 2 upon 1. Now let us think what to give, which sign we have to give to the answer. 2 upon 1 is nothing but 2. We have not yet given the sign. Here there are two similar signs. So division of two similar sign is always positive. So your answer will be plus 2. But if it would have been minus 6 upon 3, okay, then 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Your answer would have been 2. But look at the sign. 3 is having nothing, that means plus sign. So here now 1 is having, numerator is having negative sign, minus sign. And denominator is having plus sign. So in this case, this is positive and this is negative, opposite sign. Division of two opposite sign is always negative. This can be either or also. It can be plus 6 upon minus 3. And here is this where students go wrong. See now you have 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Your answer is 2 upon minus 1. But always remember that when one integer is divided by another integer and which is non-zero, that means non-zero integer, then it is customary to write the denominator of the quotient as the positive integer. Denominator should always be written as positive, and therefore this sign will be given to the 2, and so your answer is again minus 2. Are you understanding me? So just see generally also, and I will tell you why it is written like this. Let us see quick one proof also for it. First you understand this. Again I am telling you, if it is 3 upon minus 2, how are you going to write it? Denominator, it is customary to have positive sign to the denominator. So this is nothing but minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now let us see quick proof. You need not remember, but just to see how this is coming, I will tell you one thing. For example, we have yesterday seen minus 1 into minus 1. Okay. Multiplication of two similar sign is always plus 1. Now if I divide this, this is equation. So left hand side as well as right hand side, I am divide by minus 1. So what I will get? Minus 1 into minus 1 upon minus 1 here also is equal to plus 1 upon minus 1. That's what I am going to get. Alright. Now this 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So what are we getting? Minus 1, this over here, is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Now I am shifting right hand side and left hand side. 1 upon minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Okay. So that negative sign, now we are getting it to the numerator. So always remember this. Whenever you have negative sign at the denominator and positive at the numerator, at the end it gets transferred to the numerator. So this is the proof why we write when it is plus 3 upon minus 2, we write it as minus 3 upon 2. Okay, let us see quick proof on this basis. We will see proof for this also. Just see. Now why this is there? Just now what we have seen? We have seen that minus 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Alright. So 1 upon minus 1 is minus 1. Now how can I write minus 3 upon 2? This can be written as minus 1 into 3 upon plus 1 into 2. Okay. Now what is this? Minus 1 upon plus 1? So this can be written as we want to see when it is negative sign at the denominator. Sorry. So this will be like this. Okay. So we can write, we want to see when it is 3 upon minus 2, how we are getting it as minus 3 upon 2. So I am getting this over here, and let us see how we are getting this. Now see, this 3 can be written as, I am coming back again, this 3 can be written as 1 into 3 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 1 into 2. What is 1 upon minus 1? 1 upon minus 1 is 1, just now we have seen. So this becomes minus 1 into 3 upon 2, which is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we got 3 upon minus 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. If you don't remember all this verification, doesn't matter. But at the end, what you should remember? 3 upon minus 2 is minus 3 upon 2. When numerator is having positive sign, denominator is having negative sign, at the end, numerator will be having negative sign and denominator we have to make it positive, because it is customary to write denominator as positive. Alright. Now keeping these things in mind, we will do now exercise 9. Okay. Very easy. Just in our first problem we have minus 96. First problem. Minus 96 upon, we have, it is divided by. I'll write as it is given in the textbook. This is divided by 16. Okay. Like this it has been given. So convert it. Minus 96 upon 16 we can write. We very well know that 16 ones are and 16 sixes are. So it is minus 6 upon 1, which is equal to minus 6. Okay. Let's go quickly for the second problem. What we have? 98. This is second now. 98 divided by minus 28. Okay, so it is as good as 98 upon minus 28. Now see, denominator is having negative sign. It will be transferred to the numerator when we are writing the final answer. So I think this is divided by 14. Okay, 14 twos are and 14 sevens are. Yes. So what is your answer now? 7 upon minus 2. This is written as minus 7 upon 2. We have seen this reason just now. Alright. Okay. Now this was third, we will see. Third problem. It is minus 51. Minus 51 divided by, so I am putting here division, divided by 68. Okay. This is your third problem. So this, I think it can be divided by 17 stable it is going. So 17 threes are minus 3 and you can write 17 fours are. So your answer is minus 3 upon 4. Okay. You please pause the video and take down. Let us see quickly fourth one. Fourth one we have 38 divided by minus 57. 38 divided by minus 57. Okay, it is going by 19 stable, 19 twos are and 19 threes are. Okay, so minus sign. Now again this will be 2 upon minus 3 is written as minus 2 upon 3. Denominator can't be negative. Then fifth problem we'll see quickly. Fifth one is minus 85 divided by 20. Minus 85 divided by, we have 20. Okay. So in 5 stable it is going 5 fours are, 5 ones are and 17s are. So this is minus 17 upon 4. Okay. The next sixth problem we'll see quickly. Sixth one is minus 150 divided by minus 25. Minus 150 divided by minus 25. Now see similar signs. Two similar signs. Answer will have positive sign. So you give positive sign to the answer. Here everywhere opposite signs were there. Here both similar signs are there. 25 you can have 25 ones are 25 and we know 25 6 is 150. So answer will be plus 6. Okay. Let's go for the seventh problem. I hope you all are understanding. Please pause the video and take it down. So now we were with seventh problem I guess. So it is 100 divided by 60. Okay. So what we have? 100 upon 60. 0, 0, 2 3s are and 2 5s are. So answer is 5 upon 3. 8th, you see, 8th is given as 9 divided by minus 54. 9 divided by, I may go wrong with the numbers, you see the problems please. 9 divided by, it is given minus 54. Okay, so it is 9 upon minus 54. So 9 ones are and 9 sixes are. It comes out to be 1 upon minus 6, which is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Okay, then last, I think 9th problem we are doing now. 9th problem. 78 divided by 65. 78 divided by 65. No sign is over there. I think it is divisible by 13's table. So 6 are and this is 5 are. So answer is 6 upon 5 divided by 13. Okay. Now next we can give last problem we are doing now. Minus 5 divided by minus 135. So minus 5 divided by minus, here see both similar sign, answer will also have plus sign. Here both similar sign, again we are going to get answer as plus. Let us see how much we are getting. Minus 5 divided by minus 315. Ending is by 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 ones are we can write. Then we have 5 6s are 30 and 5 3s are 15. So at the end we have plus 1 upon 63. Okay, isn't it easy? So I think that's all for today, students. Please do the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.